Parang there's someone who taught me about slicing the cake myself and taking a bite. I want to do it myself. In this cake, I have to shake a whip in my mind.
Very strong. And good health. Okay. Okay na din.
Yes! Sa taong bayan, Tatay Digong!